24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers to an online tutorial on section 2 of the chapter 9 of Science Grade 4, which covers the topic Moon. The video will cover phases of the moon. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Welcome the students in the class and greet them saying Assalamu alaikum. Ask them, how are you all? And tell them that they'll be learning about the moon today. Remember to start building the lesson upon the previous knowledge of the students. Start by asking the children, can you draw the moon on the board? Give a chance to many students and tell them to draw it in a different shape. Draw one by yourself also. Make the students observe that moon was drawn in different shapes, but all the drawings were correct. This is because moon has phases throughout the month and appears in different shapes across the sky. Build up the topic by collecting simple facts about the moon, such as its appearance, color, brightness, and whether it has its own light. Make a fact sheet on the board about the moon. Add to the same fact sheet that moon is a satellite, that is, a body which revolves around a planet. Add its size, which is much smaller compared to Earth. Then seek more volunteers to look at the complete fact file on the board and point what new facts they have learned about the moon. Prepare an interesting mechanism for the class by the following instructions. Arrange a thermopole sheet and 6 to 7 thermopole spheres. You may make paper balls if thermopole balls are not available. Place a candle in the middle of it. Now, as you discuss each phase of the moon using the textbook and explain it to the students, take a ball and place it on the side of the lit candle, which shines on it to show that specific phase. Use toothpicks to hold the balls in place on the sheet. For example, show a full moon. The ball will be placed behind the candle so that the students can observe a full moon. Explain the increasing and decreasing phases by placing different balls at different angles from the candle. The completed model will look like balls arranged in a semicircle around the candle, making a D shape on the sheet. After you have explained the waning and waxing phases, dim the light in the room to let the students observe the model more carefully and ask them questions for reinforcement. For homework, you can ask the students to draw the diagrams of different phases of the moon and write their names. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.